Welcome back to TechLab, your go-to channel for all things tech. In today's episode, we're diving into the world of Arduino and electronics. We'll be exploring a fascinating combination of components, the keypad and the LCD 2x16. But before we jump into the action, a big shout out to all our viewers for their amazing support. Your likes, comments, and subscriptions mean the world to us.
Let's start by introducing the keypad. This versatile component is a crucial input device in electronic projects. It allows users to input data quickly and efficiently. The keypad's functionality and ease of use make it a valuable addition to various projects. Now, let's delve into how it works and how to connect it to an Arduino. We've prepared some sample codes and projects that showcase the potential of the keypad. Next up, let's explore the LCD 2x16 display. This compact screen is an excellent way to provide visual feedback in your projects. Its ability to display information makes it a perfect companion for the keypad. Let's take a quick look at its features and learn how to connect it to an Arduino. The combination of the keypad and LCD 2x16 unlocks new possibilities for creative projects. Now, let's combine these two components with an Arduino and see the magic happen. We've written a sample code that takes keypad inputs and displays them on the LCD 2x16. This opens doors to various interactive applications. In a nutshell, the synergy between the keypad and LCD 2x16 can add a whole new dimension to your electronic projects. Now, we encourage you to get hands-on with these components. Experiment, innovate, and don't forget to share your creative projects in the comments below. You can also follow us on GitHub, where we will be sharing the tutorial code files and additional resources. Once again, a huge thank you to our fantastic audience. Stay tuned for more exciting tech explorations here on TechLab.